I'm going to show you how to use the highlighter on Word. It's really very easy. You need to be on Home at the top here and then come across to this as your highlighter. I'm going to stick with yellow. You can choose other colours by pressing the drop down box. So we'll use yellow. All you need to do is highlight, click onto the word you want to highlight and scroll along. There we go. Press highlight. Alternatively, once you've actually clicked it on, that'll work as a pen. So once you've got it in that pen section, there we go. It's a little bit tricky. Going across like that. There we go. If you've made any mistakes, you want to get rid of it, Control and Z will undo what you've just done, or you can go into no colour and go over everything with that. There we are. No colour, all gone.